another Facebook Live today, and I'm so excited to bring you one of my favorite summertime recipes. I know in the summer, if you're like me at all, you don't really like to get in the kitchen and like heat it up and cook. So in the summertime, I do a lot of really just like grab and go and not as much hot food, which is probably how a lot of you guys are too, because who wants to spend the summer in the kitchen, right? When you can be out at the pool or in the mountains or at the beach doing something fun. So I'm going to show you how to make this little peanut butter and chocolate protein parfait. It's so easy. It only takes just a few minutes and it's really, really yummy. Okay, so I wanted to talk about yogurt for a minute because you guys probably noticed that I use a lot of yogurt recipes. So there's a couple different kinds of yogurt you can use, and basically I just leave it up to people as their personal preference. So I like to use the Chobani plain non-fat Greek yogurt, but it does have dairy in it. So if you do not do dairy, if you're dairy intolerant or lactose intolerant, or if you have an allergy, there's other options out there. So there's coconut milk, which the So Delicious one is just a yogurt alternative. It's dairy free. And also there is there's a soy yogurt too, which is Silk. And both of these are really great dairy free options. And you can find them in any major grocer. So just go all the way back to the yogurts and they should just be right there. And try to find plain if you can, because a lot of them are sweetened and you don't want all that extra sugar. So look for the plain ones and that will give you the biggest bang for your nutritional buck. Okay, so we're gonna start with just half a cup of yogurt. And I'm gonna go ahead and use just my Greek non-fat plain yogurt. And the thing that I love about the Greek yogurt is it has tons of protein. So for a cup is 22 grams. For half a cup is like 11 grams. So when you don't eat meat and you're really watching your protein intake, things like this become super important when you are trying to, you know, get your protein in. Okay, and then have you guys seen the peanut butter and chocolate? Has anybody tried it? It's so good. So I personally, it's my favorite flavor. So you can use a half a scoop, you can use a whole scoop, whatever you want. This is also personal preference. So if you want to make it a little bit more of a meal, I would use a full scoop. Okay, so I've got that mixed up. And I am just going to whisk it. And as you've already seen, I have taken, I don't know if you guys use the peanut butter powder at all, but I have taken that and I have I've liquefied it, so you add the water to the peanut butter powder and you put it in a jar, just like this is just a really tiny mason jar, so the smaller size jars. And so what you can do is you can make it a little bit thicker so it'll stay, or you can even just like make it right before. It might not be as pretty, but it'll work. So, so then you're gonna add your yogurt to your peanut butter powder. And this is nice if you want to take it to like the pool or if you're going on a hike or somewhere, just add the toppings separately. I would put them in like a little Ziploc baggie. Okay, so there we have that. And then I like to top mine with strawberries. So I've got a few strawberries and then I also have some granola. So you guys know that it's hard to find granola with not a lot of sugar. So you can, especially granola that you find in the store, so you can buy, or you can make your own pre-made granola. You can just do it at home. It's actually really simple and easy. And then, so I've got the strawberries and the granola, and I'm just gonna top it with, I just mixed some PB Fit with a little bit of water. So any powdered peanut butter, whatever you like, will do the trick. You can also use regular natural peanut butter because that is great too. You just might want to kind of put it in the microwave. And you drizzle it on top. I like to make mine a little bit thicker. And there you go. You have a perfect summertime snack. And I make these for my kids all the time. They love them. They love the peanut butter and chocolate flavor. So I have a big, exciting deal for you today. We are doing buy 1 tub of protein, get the second one half off. You guys, if you've bought this before, you know what an awesome deal that is. So on any flavor, any of the IdealRaw flavors, so there's vanilla, chocolate, mocha, and peanut butter and chocolate. We've got 4 awesome flavors. So if you buy one, you get one half off. The link will just be right above this video, so go ahead and click on it. And you can always use my code, Lisa10. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Next week, we're gonna be talking about how to meal prep when you're going on vacation and healthy snacks on the go. So I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you later.